Who, when I say diesel engine, what kind of cycle is it? Power cycle, exactly. Power cycle, and what kind of power cycle is it? Internal or external? Exactly, internal. So what that means is you're going to have air and fuel, diesel, obviously, going in through this area here. That's why you see this arrow. Alright. And what you see here is essentially a suction valve. That's what it does. Takes in the fuel and air mixture into this area here. And look, this is actually working like a piston. Okay? On this side, what you have is the exhaust valve. So how it works. Over right. Yeah, this way. So how it works, really, is first you have fuel and air coming in this way, alright, into this area. We call it the suction process first. That's what takes place. And after suction takes place, can anybody tell me what happens next? Compression, exactly. So first you have suction, go this way, suction, right? And then compression, right? So it compresses the mixture. And what happens? Well, combustion. Okay? Combustion. And this is where the diesel engine is different from the regular petrol engine. There is no spark. There's no spark plug. It doesn't need to. The whole technology behind the diesel engine is that if you compress the air enough, you will have ignition and combustion. That's the whole point to it. Because the compression is high enough, then you will have combustion. So, from combustion, as a result of the combustion, it's sort of like an explosion, right? So the area here increases, and that drives the piston back downwards. And yeah, it's done its work. And what happens next? Exhaust, ejection. It ejects, well, the end product. And this is how the cycle repeats itself. So it goes from suction, okay, compression, okay, combustion, and then ejection. Okay. Am I making any sense? Does anybody not understand what I'm talking about? No? So remember, power cycle, internal, ICE, internal combustion engine. That's what you must know. Know the four processes. I don't know how your next assignment is going to look like because I haven't seen it myself yet, but it should be out sometime this week. But you should expect that you will see certain questions that relates to heat pump, diesel engine, Rankine cycle. Okay. But what you should take from this conversation is what I've already just mentioned. We don't need a spark plug. Just compression is enough for the diesel engine. You have suction. You have compression. Then you have combustion, and then you have ejection. Four processes, key to the diesel engine. That's all you need to know. Everything else is, yeah. Any questions? No? It's supposed to be a short demonstration, keeping it simple, okay?